Hi, it's Ali. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion content creator. My social media accounts are Alice Roma. I post fashion and style inspo. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing another try-on haul from Halara. Thank you so much, Halara, for sponsoring today's video. I'm very grateful. But of course, as always, all of the opinions are my honest thoughts about the products. This try-on haul will mainly be for the fall and winter season. However, all of these pieces are very flexible because Halara has such good items. And honestly, here in the Philippines, I do need to have flexible clothing that will be alright whether it's hot or cold. So I made sure to take some pieces that we can actually wear all throughout the year. Halara is a very versatile brand and they have so many sizes and colors available on their website. So they're size inclusive and you're most probably actually gonna find your favorite color on there. By the way, you can use my code ALICE or ALICER for 15% off on full price Halara items so you can save more out of your order. I think that's a huge win. Plus, they also have the Halara Circle campaign which happens every month so you can get free products in exchange for your honest feedback. This way, Halara always listens to their customers and I love them for that. That's why I've worked with them for so long and I love their brand so much. For size reference, by the way, I'm 5'3" and I'm wearing a size XS for all of the pieces that I chose. Anyway, enough yapping, let's get into the try-on haul. And starting up, this is actually my favorite top. I got this in two colors. I've actually already worn this. If you've seen my Instagram, you would have seen this top already. I love this sweater so much. The fabric is so good. I love this sweater because it's very flexible. Because it has some holes in the knit fabric, it's not as hot compared to typical sweaters if you're outside. And it still keeps me warm when I'm cold, so I love that. It's literally just the perfect basic. And you guys know I've been really focusing on getting pieces that I can wear a lot. So this is something that I can wear for uni, for work, or any occasion really. Also, these are so adorable. They're gold, more of a faded like champagne-ish gold color. I really like these. I think they're such a statement. Also, this has two pockets at the front. So I think that's extra convenient. And this is so comfy and so cute. Like, just imagine drinking a hot choco, matcha, or coffee. When you're comfortable, you feel your best. That's definitely me. So this piece is definitely one of my favorites. I also got it in white, which I'm so excited to wear because my exam seasons are coming up. So I'm definitely going to be wearing that for studying out. I love this so much and I'm pretty sure you guys will love this too, whether for loungewear or for work. You can really layer this. And these are functional buttons, by the way, so you can actually take them out if you just want to throw it over and layer with it. So it's super chic and functional. This is the white version. As you can see, the quality is so good. It actually has some weight to it, which you can tell it's good quality because of that. Also, not just from the buttons, but from the fabric itself. I feel like for this one as well, I would wear this in the summer, like layer a bikini under and then this cover up. This would be so cute, especially when it's a bit windy at the beach. This is adorable and I can't wait to wear this even more. By the way, just to take note, you don't really need to size up for this because this is in a size XS already and it's already a little bit oversized on. So I would recommend you to stick to your regular size. Next is this adorable little color block skirt. This is so cute. It's a mini skirt and it's actually a skirt. It has shorts underneath because I don't want to have to worry about flashing when I'm wearing skirts. I just want to look cute. And this way, with Halara skirts or skirts rather, you always look good and feel good. That's why I got this. And it's a new design. I haven't gotten any of their color block pieces yet. So I really like this. And the fact that it's black and white makes it even more flexible. So I can wear this for any sports activity, whether for badminton, for golf, really any, and even for casual wear. So I think it's so cute. Very excited to wear this out more. Also, look at that stretch at the waistband. She's very comfy and the fabric is good quality as well. And by the way, I do want to note, I have pieces from Halara that are activewear that I've been using for like over 2 years and the quality is still good. It's just something to note, the quality does stay intact, especially for activewear. That's very important. Also, this one doesn't have pockets, but there are a lot of skirts in Halara's website that you can check out. They have so much more designs, and if you want pockets, there are a lot of designs that have those. Next up, we have these flex denim pants. You guys know how much I love the flex denim line if you've seen my previous videos. Why? Because I've worn these pants for cheer dancing and they're amazing. They are stretchy. It's not typical denim. They are way more breathable and way more comfortable, especially throughout the summer. I love these. And for cheer dance practice, honestly, I could do kicks and splits in these, and that's literally crazy because who would expect those from denim jeans, right? But this is Halara's Flex Denim, so it's literally magic. Such good quality, and that's why I got them in another style. This is asymmetrical, so as you can see, it has a bit of a design around the waist. Also, it still has some stretch on it even there, and it has functional belt loops. It has 4 pockets, 2 at the front and 2 at the back, which makes it even more convenient. And by the way, mentioning again that Halara is size inclusive, they are also inclusive in terms of height. They have a petite, a regular, and a tall version of their pants, which is why I highly recommend them. I personally get a petite. For size reference, once again, I'm 5'3". And if you are someone who struggles to find the perfect fit for you, Halara has got your back. Next is this velvet skirt. It's super pretty. The fabric is so nice and it's actually like so fun to play around with. And it has some sheen to it, which I think makes it more flexible for when you're going out at night. When you're going out for dinner, it's really nice. So I really like that. It just makes it a little more elevated. Also, once again, yes, it's a skirt. This doesn't have pockets either, but it always makes me much more comfortable when I have shorts built into my skirts. So I love Halara for that. So the waistband is stretchy as well. It has good support, but it has some stretch to it, so it's very comfortable and easy to wear. This is the skirt that I paired with these sweaters, which I'll get to in a little bit. But I love these. They're very easy to style. Next, we have this super duper pretty sweater. I love this. I've actually already worn the black one. This one, I have not worn this out yet. But I brought the black one for vacation at Bacolod because it's a bit cold there, the place that we went to. I wore that one with my Halara skirt as well, actually. This is a really good sweater. The quality is nice and it's also very light. So if you're packing, it's ideal because it doesn't hold as much weight. Compared to this one holds a little bit more weight because of the buttons and the fabric. This one is very, very light. So it's very nice if you're trying to pack light. I really like the design of it because it's color block. It just makes it a little more put together and just a little more elevated with the design. It's not too simple, but it's also something that you can dress up or down. I feel like I would wear this once again at the cafe or for studying because it's very cozy. But yeah, I love this so much. I also love the cream color. I think it's super flexible. This is the black version that I've already worn in Bacolod. This is super comfy. And this one, I like it because it's white and it's black here. So instead of a cream, it's actually just a simple white color. Also, this would be good to pair with the skirt as well because it's also black and white. Super comfy and it's super light again. So it was very convenient for me to pack. I'm an overpacker, so it helps me to know that sweaters won't add such a big weight into my luggage, and yet it still kept me warm all throughout the night. Also, both of these are already a little bit oversized, so definitely stick to your size. Once again, I got mine in XS. Next up, let's get into one of the pieces that I actually didn't expect to love as much as I do. I'm someone who needs to wear business wear. I already got a blazer from them before, which is why I was so open to trying out more because I was happy with it. And this one exceeded my expectations. It's so good. The quality is so nice. It's like a luxurious type of fabric. And these are very affordable pieces, by the way. Halara has that in mind as well with price and quality. It's something that you can dress up for the office. And you can even wear this for casual wear. Like imagine this with biker shorts, like a black set, crop top, and then biker shorts, and then this over. That would look so put together. I personally would love that. And I am already planning on wearing it for something like that. Aside from that, I can also wear this for actual business events. So I love that. It's super flexible. I love the color of it. And it also has brown buttons. You guys know I love brown as well. For my color palette, I always have that. And it has two pockets at the front. This is how the back looks like. It has also a very nice tailoring. And it actually has a bit of built-in pads over here on the shoulders. You can see it over here. It doesn't make too big of a difference though. Like, it's not that bulky. It's just right, so it adds an extra level of support. I really love this, and I know I'm gonna wear this a lot. I love that Halara is expanding into workwear as well. They literally have everything from activewear, casual wear, bridesmaid dresses, and also for workwear, they have everything. So happy that they have this, and I am so excited to see more from them. I also didn't just stop with one blazer. I got this black one as well just because I needed a new black blazer because my previous one didn't fit me that well anymore. And I love this. This is like the perfect elevated black blazer. It has a bit of design over here and also around this portion. It's very subtle, but it's just the right amount of chic. Also, it's very easy to close. You can layer with this, and you can also close it because it has a pin over here which you can wear. And by the way, I'm telling you, I'm gonna look into more workwear for real from Halara because I already wore this for a business pitch. And by the way, just to let you know, we were the champion, my team and I. So maybe Halara just has a little bit of that oomph in their workwear because I smelled success from the moment that I styled this. So I'm so happy that I got this because you guys know I always believe in look good, feel good. And I definitely felt my best when I wore this blazer from Halara. Definitely a good closet staple piece for any formal events and even for the office. Finally, this very pretty light gray dress. It also has a bit of a tint to it. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it has a little bit of a warmer tint. I didn't actually know if this would be good for my color palette because I don't really wear gray that often, but I really love this. I love the detail. Also, this kept me quite warm. I went to a cafe in this that was very cold. I was expecting to be freezing. I actually held up pretty well until they amped up the air conditioning. But anyway, it still kept me warm. So that's something to note. This would be good for fall and for the winter because you can layer with this. If it's very cold, you could wear stockings underneath, the thick ones. And then you can definitely wear this as a skirt and like layer a jacket or sweater on top. Also, it has a low V, so just in case, you can definitely layer if you want to keep it more covered up. It actually holds its shape, but it still had some stretch to it, so it wasn't hard to get into. This dress would pair well for sneakers, but especially for boots. That's something that I have in mind. But even for heels, you can really style this dress. It's a good basic, but once again, it's just elevated, which I love because Halara is really all about those like elevated basics. And you guys know I love that. So that is it for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope this will help in picking out your pieces from Halara. Once again, you can use my code Alice or AliceR for 15% off on full price Halara items. All of the links will be in the description box down below. If you have any questions or video suggestions, feel free to comment them down below or send me a DM on Instagram if you have some inspo that you want me to do. Thank you so much again to Halara for sponsoring today's video. If you haven't already, please do consider liking and subscribing to support my channel. And if you would like to follow me for more fashion inspo, you can follow my social medias. Once again, it's Alice Roma for all of my socials. Thank you so much again for watching today's video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!